Dear friends, welcome to Tech and Tech. In this video, I teach how to public an Instagram account. Please watch the video till the end and subscribe to the channel. Let's go for public account on Instagram. Okay, step 1, open Instagram account, click the profile and click the menu and down account, click the account privacy. My account is private. Change the public account. Click the privacy account and click the tick and turn off the tick. Easy. Switch to public. If you are switch to public account, click switch to public. Okay, I switch to public. Easy. I have public account. Please like the video and subscribe the channel. Take on Tech.